Hello HU investment students. Just wanted to provide you with a little tutorial video to help you get registered for and to complete your first week 1 assignments in Forrester trades. So the first thing you'll want to do is you will want to copy and paste this link into your browser to set up your account for the contest, and our password for the game is Dr. Z Rocks. Then you have 2 Forrester Trades assignments this week. Both are viewing 2 different videos. You'll do that within the website, and once you complete that, it will show that you have viewed the videos. So to register, copy and paste that link into your browser and go to the website by clicking enter. And you will come to a page that looks like this. Now you can register for a free account by either using Facebook or Google, or you can input the information. And this will register you for the Forrester Trades Fall 2019 contest. Once you're registered, you can click on Login, and then of course my login's already set up. Log in, and you will get to a screen that looks like this. If you go to contests and my contests, scroll down a little bit, you will see our game, our contest, Forrester Trades Fall 2019, and we can look at the rankings. So let's do that, and lo and behold, wow, I'm at the bottom right now. I've made a few trades and obviously lost some money. So right now I'm at the bottom. It looks like 6 others of you have registered for the game. You've made some interest. Doesn't look like you've made any trades yet. Obviously the goal of the game is to make as much money as possible, so you'll be making trades to try to increase this portfolio over time. You can also view your individual portfolio if you go up here to My Portfolio and Open Positions. This is my portfolio of investments that I purchased so far. I've got a couple of ETFs and a couple of stocks. Shows how much I paid, the most recent price, what the daily price change was, current value of the stock, and then the profit and loss on that individual holding. You can also obtain stock price quotes if you go to quotes. Market quotes will give you just a general idea of what's going on overall in the market. So you can see, what happened in the NASDAQ, what happened to the New York Stock Exchange. But if you want to get individual stock quotes, you'll need to know the symbol or the stock ticker. So let's say that I'm interested in Nike. I know the ticker is NKE. And when I put that in, it will bring up all of the most recent information on Nike. This is at the end of the day, so this is the closing price, and it went up $1.90 a share today. A lot of historical information here, detailed price graphs to show what the price of Nike has done over a certain period of time. And we'll be talking more throughout the semester about what some of these other things mean. There's also most recent news on the company that you can click on to find out, what's going on with the company. To buy and sell securities, you would click on this Make a Trade, and within the game you can buy stocks, ETFs, which are exchange traded funds, mutual funds, and so let's click on stocks, and you can select your exchange, United States versus Toronto, if you've got a Canadian company that you want to buy or sell. Over here are your actions, so if I want to buy, obviously click on buy. If I want to sell, click on sell. We'll talk about shorts, but we won't be doing shorts in the game or cover. I would need to know the stock symbol, how many shares I want to purchase, and I can scroll up and down to get my number of shares. Market means that I'll purchase it at the current market price, whereas limit, I can put in a price, and I'll only buy it if it goes at or below that particular limit. And we'll talk about stops and trailing stops later on in the course. I can put in an order for just a day, or I can put in a limit order, and I can keep it in there until I cancel or until a certain date. So that's how you buy and sell individual stocks. You could also buy mutual funds, and we'll talk more about that in future weeks. Now, when I have assignments for Forrester trades, those, if you go to my portfolio and then go down to my assignments and click on those, this will bring up the assignments, Forrester trade assignments. And so like for this week, the first one you need to do is watch this video, How the Market Works site navigation video. Bring it up, click on view, and once you finish viewing it, it will show that you've done it, and that's how you'll get the points for completing that particular assignment. The other one that you have this week is the trading stocks tutorial. So same thing, just insert it in there, view it. Once you've viewed it, I'll know that you've done the assignment and you'll get the points. My other words of advice are go ahead and play around in the site. For example, there's an educational center that you can use to supplement what we're doing in the classroom. Trading ideas, analysis. You won't be able to see the teacher resources, but like these trading ideas you can take a look at. You can get a lot more about individual companies. So I would encourage you, just play around, make sure you get the assignments done, participate in the game, but feel free to utilize this website to its full potential. I hope this has been helpful.